Today I want to speak about LMND very quickly and why their earnings are so good that you should consider buying this stock for your growth portfolio. Stick with me and I'll give you my really quick summary of this stock. Hi and welcome back to Family Investment. I'm speaking really quick because I want to give you this information so fast that you can make up your mind whether you want to own this stock. Earnings is so superiorly good. So let's quickly recap a few segments, 4 segments, with the 4th one, buy trigger, sell trigger, and what the strategy I'll be employing, and I'm sharing that with you. The first one is the earnings recap, okay? Insurance company, you need to stick to 3 key items, okay? The first one is the customer growth. They did well. Look at the chart. Step ladder, they are achieving targets, okay? Second one is the in-force premium. That's really important on how they're going to grow that pot for an insurance company before they start diversifying into other type of products. So they're growing, and guess what? They showed their Q3 and Q4, and it's growing at a nice upside trend rate. So that is good news of number 2, in-force premium. And the third is revenue growth. Come on, we need revenue growth to keep the business going because it's expanding globally to France, Germany, UK potentially, and now they're huge in US. So those are the 3 key things that you need to watch out for. Things like income and profit are not important at this point, but eventually they will be important. But for now, they are good earnings. Second thing is about the future of LMND. Why I still think that this is a 20x potential. Obviously with risk, but good potential. With the total addressable market, let's say at about 20%, not just in US, but also in UK. I'm talking about 1.2 million to 20 million young people using this insurance company. Really easy to use, like the Uber, the Airbnb of insurances. So, population in Europe, do you know? 446 million. Population in US, 328 million. Out of the 2 combined, young people between the age of 12 all the way to 25 is around about 130 million. LMND wants to total addressable grab this 20% share stake. If they can grab this 20% total addressable market, we're talking about 26 million people. So if they can do this in the next 10 years, boom, we're looking at a potential 20x. Obviously, it comes with risk. And now we come to the third part, the risk for LMND. Great that we think it's high potential, great that we think it's earnings, but what are the real potential? I've got, again, 3. So the first one is, if the user growth slows down, we are in trouble. Okay, look at Netflix, nice straight line up. Okay, look at Amazon, nice straight line up. We need the user growth to keep growing and expanding quarter on quarter, not year on year, quarter on quarter, and that's the momentum we need to see. Secondly, is the product expansion needs to grow as well. Okay, yes, we need the in-force premium to grow before we bring new products like insurances for pets, insurance for cars, and also the software development. So they need to catch up, they need to be quick. Okay, they need to be the expert of their home product. And lastly is competition. They've developed something new and easy. Competition are coming up, not just from US but from Europe. Competition, startups are coming, young people are coming up with development skills to try to mimic, to mirror, to copycat. So something to watch out for. Okay, last part, which is always your most favorite one, is the buy trigger. Okay, me bring out the buy trigger Fibonacci retracement chart. This chart has not been changed since they reached the all-time high back in nearby Christmas period. Okay, not changed. So where are we? We are close at $80 per share for LMND as of today. They might fluctuate 81, 82, 78. So hit my buy trigger of 79. So I'm tempted to go in, buy trigger of 79. But if you think, wait, it might pull back a bit, there's still buy trigger 2 of around about $60, where they still need to fill the gap in for that level of support. So buy trigger 79 for 1, buy trigger 2 at 60 if you can be patient. But remember, stocks do not go up in a straight line. If they do, everybody be rich. So I have to put a sell trigger on top of it. So if it swings up and down, try to take some profit around about the 115 mark. Don't be too greedy. Take some profit, hold some, wait for the dip and buy. Because this user growth will not just spike up in 3-4 months. It takes years before they grow quarter on quarter. So do take profit. Take your time, wait for it to come back down, buy trigger, swing. But then do try to accumulate this if you're a young person who believe that this will be the next 20x stock in the next 10, 15 years. So this is my quick recap review. I hope you find it useful. But before you go, remember, I am doing a buy trigger series on my live spot live coaching session, free on the 12th of August. But if you missed the 12th of August one, then look at other courses that I am giving folks on the live coaching session. Live coaching meaning I bring you on stage, I speak to you in front of the audience, and we discuss what you want to learn and your queries. So this is very personal type of coaching. over YouTube. And the second thing that I want to give a shout out on my services is my Patreon. My Patreon members are getting exclusive content from me on almost a weekly basis, several times a week, on what I think is buy and sell. And hopefully you guys will grab a spot and get my exclusive content. After this, thank you very much and hope to see you soon. And I hope you find it useful. If you do, click the thumbs up, smash the button, and also subscribe.
We are the Family Investments channel. We focus on saving, investing, and growing your wealth so you can spend more time with your kids. My daddy worked very hard for this video, so please like and subscribe. And ding dong! Enjoy the video!